Okay, Kak Adila, khabar? Are you guys okay today?
Alhamdulillah, good.
Selamat datang ke episod ASMR. Okay, ASMR stands for Advocating Sakinah, Mawaddah dan Rahmah. So the first one that we need you guys to do is very simple, which is to stare at each other's eyes for 2 minutes. Which is starting from now.
So, macam nak nangis.
Siapa? Sorry. Ini time wedding pun sama ya?
Photoshoot.
Ngantuk. Ni air mata ngantuk.
Terang awkward couple lah.
Okay tak?
Janganlah. Dia cakap asal nak nangis. Jadi pada.
Semestinya berair.
Sekejap Actually tak nak faham sebab apa tau. Like, bila dia cakap asal nak nangis, dia tiba ada emotion kau. I don't know why.
Nampak bulu kening tak even. Aku fikir dia tak boleh maintain. Aku yang lagi tak boleh maintain eye contact.
It's been very long since we really like look into each other. Right, because we have been very busy.
Nampak mata dia berair, tapi dia kata tadi berair sebab ngantuk tadi.
Betul.
So
Betul, at first tengah blank. Nanti dia pun nampak Adila nangis pun terperanjat juga.
I don't know why I cried.
Okay.
Okay.
tak dapat tengok dengan jelaslah usia sebab pakai dikot kan, tapi nampak mata kecil aja tu. Tak bantu juga masih.
Macam lagi fokus on the features yang ada kat your face.
You are more of a big picture person.
Yes.
You don't look at details kan.
Yeah.
Dia tadi dia actually nak duduk sini kan. Dia cakap dia punya good side. Sekarang baru aku nampak memang asal left dia is dia punya good side.
Nothing new to me because memang selalu tengok muka ni pun kan. But starting to appreciate you more lah.
Thank you.
Bila time kita tengah belajar and whenever I was out with my friends, kadang nanti ternampak seorang belajar seorang-seorang. So what attracted me to her was her independence lah.
Your selflessness, your family oriented.
Attracted me is because of her jovialness. She also remind me of my mother lah in certain aspect. Tapi bila time dah kahwin pun ramai orang cakap she is like my mother.
Yeah, kita orang we were prefect jaga gate pagi-pagi. Tapi the only interaction like time throughout our time kat unit is like I tanya you something and you just That's all.
You high, I pun high. You low, I pun low. So just always lari aja maksudnya. So at that moment I felt this is the time lah. So macam okay untuk melamar.
He always reminds me to reflect back on ourselves. So every time kalau macam tengah, tapi bila lama-lama jadi macam stressful juga pasal bila nak ngadu kan, nanti dia macam kena shoot balik. But I know that is actually for self-growth.
But sometimes I let you rant out lah. Macam,
Yes, you like to listen lah.
It's because of how I nampak you tak give up lah. Walaupun I actually quite difficult.
Sebab kita tengah bring up a child kan. So I felt appreciate yang I would say you sacrifice most of your resting time for this family.
Firstly, before ada anak, I appreciate her. Macam she selalu masakkan, bungkuskan breakfast kan.
But I appreciate you because you Nangis. Kira physical touch tu is not something yang I thought I need. Tapi when being with you, kira your love language first is physical touch kan. So kira tu benda yang I appreciate most lah.
I know whatever that you earn, you don't really spend on yourself. But whatever that I want to eat or I want to get, then you will usahakan untuk dapatkan lah. Which I really appreciate that lah. Although I rasa you kerja most of the time, balik penat, you will still like find time untuk Eyok pergi rumah ibu, Eyok pergi rumah ayah, Eyok ajak dia keluar. Like house expenses, all those financial responsibilities. Gembeng, kenapa ni? Don't like. Kenapa senang nangis ni hari? Financial burden is mostly on you. So, I know it's a struggle to balance work and finding money for the family, but at the same time you try to spend time for the kids and your wife. I understand why sometimes the kids are not close to you.
I mean, of course, banyak barang rumah as much as I try to help out, but I know you are handling the bulk of the load lah. If I were to handle to take that load, I don't think I will ever be able to do how you do it lah. Even though you always undermine your own efforts, you feel like you are not doing enough, tak cukup masak, tak apa semua. But I think, yalah, I think I can see that you are doing your best lah.
And I always appreciate how you jaga my well-being. Macam even how people perceive me. Macam I punya pakaian atau I punya rambut. Selalu macam I nak kena presentable depan orang-orang semua.
Susah, I cakap dulu je lah. I think ada orang pernah cakap kalau Safwan tak ada, dia ni jadi gila agaknya. That came from a family member, but I think it's partially true probably. But of course kita kena percaya qada dan qadar kan. If it's the last day, cannot imagine, but I know that day will come. Thank you. I love you. And sorry, I'm not the best wife you have probably wanted me to be.
Ya, you tahu I tak suka berpasal mati. Tapi thank you also for selalu reminding me about mati. But kira kalau today is the last day, I nak cakap thank you and I'm happy I get to do life with you.
I hope for you to have a happy life. And insyaAllah kalau tak tahu, kalau ada insurance, boleh ambil duit insurance kan. So hopefully insurance tu boleh spend lah whatever that you want lah. And also semoga dapat membesarkan anak-anak dengan baik lah.
You know, I don't, before this, I don't really cry much, right? Tapi macam the thought of it really scares me. But to the point that I feel like I want to like pass on first lah. Because I can't bear to macam be alone.
The high and lows, I enjoy this. And I couldn't ask for a more perfect wife than you lah. Sebab the fact yang kita ada shortcomings pun, tapi the fact that kita still willing to work on it and tak lari dari masalah. I think that's the best thing yang to be with you lah, I would say.
I think I would want to say is you put your arms around me, you become a cape, I become Superman. Because bila I dengar benda tu, betul-betul dia terus teringatkan you, how you always support me in everything that I do.
We are each other's first, right?
Yeah.
So we, so we really, there's a lot of ups and downs that we went through because kita tengah nak kenal someone. Yeah, but I guess thank you for being that person who I learn with.
And also, I need you to stop makan Maggi. Sahur tadi makan Maggi kan?
So,
Tadi pagi makan Maggi. Yeah. Because the kids need you.
InsyaAllah kalau ada anak-anak, kita hidup dalam keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah. And I hope juga yang kita masih boleh simpan kucing walaupun dia tak suka.
As a family, I would want us to be together in a way yang susah senang together with anak-anak all.
I spend on myself macam boleh, I can boleh point out lah macam rambut dah resi, okay, gunting rambut tu pun kira spending on myself. Padahal tu dah darurat lah, my rambut kan cacat kalau rambut tepi. But macam ada benda-benda gitu I don't really spend on myself because I tak ada keinginan pun lah. So I think lately while with you, I think you've been having more wishes lah. So I think for us moving forward is for me to grant your wishes lah, to give you the best life.
I hope yang I am still apa yang you mention, the good things you mention until the end lah, until the future, insyaAllah.
Yeah, it does take time for a marriage for the couples to get to know each other. But just don't putus asa on each other. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for, I know you, like you mentioned, you don't really want a lot kan, especially on this dunia thing. Tapi it's nice to have improvements lah as we grow older.
Semoga boleh balik Mesir together lah dengan anak-anak satu hari. Itu je.
I hope kita a better person untuk Alia. Kita come.
Dia sudah kamera ready lah.
Okay. I hope Alia see us as a role model untuk jadi manusia yang baik lah, walaupun tak sempurna, insyaAllah.
InsyaAllah.
Okay.